NHVR officers are not police officers, so they don't have any powers at all, right? Well, it's true that NHVR officers are not police officers and do not have the same powers as police officers. For example, they do not have the power to arrest somebody. However, Chapter 9 of the Heavy Vehicle National Law does give NHVR authorized officers such as safety compliance officers and investigators their own suite of powers that enable them to investigate if there has been a breach of the law and to manage the use and performance of a heavy vehicle in certain circumstances. Usually the first interactions with a heavy vehicle officer is going to be the driver on the side of the road. Any interaction is usually recorded on body-worn camera. For example, they have the power to direct a heavy vehicle to stop. They have the power to require a person responsible for a heavy vehicle to disclose information and documents that they hold in relation to a heavy vehicle. They may, in certain circumstances, also have powers to enter a vehicle and premises where there may be evidence or a heavy vehicle that has been the subject of a breach of the heavy vehicle national law. Of course, there are safety guards to those powers, and they are built into the legislation. So, if there is any doubt or concern that the NHVR authorized officer has not lawfully exercised their powers, I strongly suggest you consult your legal advisor or contact Eric Nevea Legal.